Yo, SJ, the Chainsaw Man opening just dropped like 20 minutes ago. I think the episode is out too. I'm gonna be reacting to the episode 1 tonight on the channel probably, so don't forget to subscribe so we can watch it together. But yeah, I know really much about Chainsaw Man, so let's just jump right into the opening. Alright, let's see it. I guess I'm hype. I don't know what to expect. Okay. What? I like the visual so far. Ooh, the voice. I like this, the cinema vibes. It's us watching right now. Whoa. What is it doing with this ball? Wait. My man. I don't want to post, bro. What is this? Okay, I'm not gonna pull. Nah, yeah. By the way, the sound, like the voice of the guy really sound like Frank Sinatra. If you know, you know, like his voice. I really like it. Ooh, that was a clean shot. What is this? Okay, we heard that in the trailer. I like it a lot, this part. Ah. Man, the visuals are insane though. I like this part. It's so good. Bro, there's so much diversity. Like, that was really good. I really like the song. The visuals are like, there was so much different things happening in this trailer. Like, you know, you start there like in the cinema watching, then we get here. I don't know what it is. That's yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know. It's just happening a lot of things, man. I don't really understand, but that's kind of cute. I think is no the name of this pet is Pochita, I think, and main character Denji. That's kind of scary. Like their friend just dancing together. I just want to hear that part again. Where it is. Okay, I'm just gonna start there. Yeah, the animation is on another level. This part reminds me of Mob Psycho. How does that? Really good. I don't know what to expect, but I think that really surpassed my expectation. Guys, let me know in comments what you think of this opening. Is this what manga readers, is this what you thought it will be, or maybe it's different, maybe you like it more, maybe you will like something different. So you guys tell me. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm gonna see you maybe tonight on the episode. I'm so hyped, I don't know what to expect. Let's go.